سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر. الله أكبر ولله الحمد.
الحمد لله. الحمد لله الذي شرع لعباده عيدا يذكرونه فيه ويشكرونه على فضيلته وإحسانه، وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له، وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أرسله الله لتبليغ الحق وتبيانه، صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم.
At least 3 rockets landed near the Afghan Presidential Palace in Kabul on Tuesday during the Eid al-Adha prayers, according to Afghan officials. Reports say the rockets were fired at around 8 a.m. and the sound was heard across the heavily guarded green zone where the presidential house and various embassies are located. Afghanistan's Interior Ministry said that the rockets hit different parts of the city, and according to initial information, no casualties have been reported. Unlike some previous years, the Taliban did not declare a ceasefire during Eid holiday this year. On